Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day and I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add or create a watch list on TradingView. So let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful tool which you can use to track stocks and other trading options from various markets around the world. You do this by actually connecting to a broker through your account which you have made. You can do it via Google or you can create your own account, and you can just create a watch list which I will be going over, where you can track any stocks which you might be interested in. You can also trade stocks. You can add a lot of indicators which can help you with forecasting the movements of the stock values and so on and so forth. Now, as I've mentioned, you can also make watch lists, which are pretty much lists of stocks, indices, futures, and a lot of different options, which you can then track their value and see it quickly in a cohesive list. Now, the way you do this is, once you're logged into TradingView, make sure that you go over and click this watch list button. Once you do, this is what is going to open. This is the standard watch list, I think, for users. And the way you want to add a watch list is just by clicking on watch list, or whatever name is currently here. And once you're here, you can just go click create new list, through which you can, as it says, create a new list yourself by adding stocks and other things yourself, or you can import an already existing list and use it as it is imported. Now, make sure you can only have one watch list if you are on the basic or free plan. All others require a paid subscription, and that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.